Hey people, I'm here to show you how to fix the broken screen of the iPhone, but the part they do not show you on Direct Fix or in other videos. So here's my iPhone. The glass, it doesn't have no glass right now. It's just the LCD. I put it back together. But if you want to see how to take the glass out, you just go to directfix.com and then you can buy the glass and other stuff, and you can see the videos. I bought my glass already, like here. It comes like this in a package. So here's the iPhone. It's actually put up together, but without the touch screen, the digitizer. Okay, and I've seen other videos where a person put crazy glue on the iPhone to stick this part to this part and this part, but the problem is you can't do that, because if the crazy glue gets inside of there, their iPhone will not work properly. And it costs $5, but it's the best chance you have to not damage your iPhone. And here we go. This is how you start taking apart your iPhone at the first time. Take both screws out. You jam your tool in there. Right now I don't have the proper tool, but this may work. Okay, I gotta get my proper. I found the proper tool. It's a painting spatula. It's for painters, obviously, and it's not the proper, but it actually works pretty good. It doesn't damage the rubber. So I had a little trouble jamming that in there and pushing it out because it doesn't have no glass. But if you use this, it will work properly and in all cases. So I got that separately already. As you see, the first one is this one. It comes separately by itself. Then the second one, I don't have it because it's a digitizer. And the third one is that one right there. It's just a little lever that you gotta push out. Push up. A little lever you gotta push up like this, and then slide out. It's very simple. The screen. Tap that one there. Okay, there's 6 in all, because there's another one over here in the corner, right there. Now this is kind of tricky when you push this out. In my case, I don't have to push out like that, and it will pop out. But in your case, it still has the glass. You jam the screwdriver or the tool you have, put it there, and by the sides with your fingernails, you push out, and it will pop out by itself. And then there's a little lever here. You cannot just pull up. You gotta slide it up like so. It's pretty tricky, but you can do it. There we go. This is the LCD. It's not that clean, but I can. Now, if you still have the glass, you just gotta see. You can go to DirectFix and see the other videos, and I'm doing the part where you can't and they don't show you anymore. So let's continue. Wait, I got the digitizer. It costs like 40 bucks. It's a little bit expensive, but it's worth it. Okay, here we go. This costs 5 bucks. Let's hope I don't ruin it. I really know this. Okay, there we go. How do you take this out? Okay, got it. I really did it. Now, peel this off here. Okay. Now for the moment of truth. If this actually works. Now, I just line this up. Here you gotta make sure you put it under. I'm gonna make sure this lines here. When you make sure it aligns, you probably this is the hardest part of my iPhone fix. The other part. Okay, I got it. I got to put the stuff and it actually online pretty good, and now I'm gonna put it back together. Be careful not to touch it. Then you can't clean it when you're using it, and it's gonna be all like fingerprints and all over it. Okay, there, I got it now. And I can clean it. Okay, now you gotta put it from 3 to 1. There's a 3. But be sure that the little lever is put properly up 90 degrees, because if not, you're not gonna properly put it inside. It's gonna be more difficult and may not work then. Put that there.
This is a new digitizer.
Okay. When you put it there, it's simple. The lever okay, there we go. There, I put it in. It's gonna make a click sound, and when it does make a click sound, it's gonna be there and stay there if you're not careful. Okay, now for the proper one. If the rubber it's out of line, you can push it in. Other problem is the white screen of death. I got here too. If you got another way to do the white screen of death to fix it, because I tried this and restoring it and it didn't work. If you got another way, just write comment, and please find another way, because I don't know what other way to do. Now I just put these 2 screws and I'm finished.